Okay, so basically you made it to my website, and right now you opened up the Google Earth document that I asked you to start your worksheet. This video right here is going to be an explanation of what you need to do to complete this worksheet. Looking here, you'll notice that I have a bubble here that has a 1 on it. At each stop, you're going to be looking for a bubble that looks like this. Of course, the first step is going to have a 1, which you're at now. The second stop, which is going to be the Coliseum, will have a 2. And the last stop, which would be our middle school, will have a number 3. At each spot, you're going to see a question mark like this. What I want you to do is click on the question mark when you get there. Once you do, you'll notice that a question pops up. So this is the Pantheon question. What I want you to do here is find the area and circumference of the circular structure of the Pantheon. You're going to measure in feet. Now, how do we measure in Google Earth? The circular part I'm talking about is this part right here. To measure it, you're going to come up and use what's called the ruler tool. When you use the ruler tool, you click on there and a window will pop up. From here, you will select from this drop-down menu, feet. Now for this example, I'm going to use meters, that way you don't know what the answer is ahead of time. Once I select the unit of I want to measure in, I pull off and I have a box show up. I'm going to click on the outside of the circle. Notice that a green dot appears. I'm measuring the diameter of the circle, which means that it touches 2 points on the outside and passes through the center. When I do that, I get a measurement right here which says length, right beside the meters. I would write this measurement down as my diameter. From there, you can use your orange sheet, which has all the formulas on there, and find the area and circumference of that circle. Now, next you're going to need to be able to zoom out. To zoom out, you will take 2 fingers and put it on your mouse pad. When you pull down on the mouse pad with 2 fingers, it zooms out. Next, you'll notice that you have your second location right here. To zoom in, you can double click, or you can put your 2 fingers on the keypad and push up. Okay. Now, again, if I would like to move the screen, right, I can simply close this pad right here, and then you notice a hand comes up. When a hand comes up, I click and I can just drag to the left or right, whichever way I want to move the screen, up or down. Now, again, here I see I'm at question number 2, which means I'm at the right spot, and I have a question mark. Click on the question mark. In this one, you're going to find the length and the width of the Coliseum in feet. Notice that when you are done, you're going to type Calico Middle School, Denver, PA in the search box to go to your final location. The search box is this box right here. Again, to measure, click on the ruler tool, just like you did over at the Pantheon. When I talk about length and width, I'm talking about the distance from here to the opposite end being the length. All right, again, there's your measurement. And the width I'm referring to being from here and across. In this question, you're going to get those 2 measurements. Once you have that, then, your final thing is to come over here and type in Calico Middle School, Denver, PA, and hit return. When you do that, you will come to your final destination. And from here, you will complete the final portion of the project. As you zoom in, you'll see a field right here. This is the field that we're actually going to be going up. Here's our school, right here. And here's the field. What I want you to do is from the tree line, right here, I'm going to ask you to mark the distance of the Coliseum, measuring from the tree line here and out. What I would like to do in class is, on a nice day, is we're going to go out there, look at the tree line, and find the marker. So look for a marker out here that you can look at when you actually measure off the Coliseum's length Look at a marker so that we can see how big this Coliseum actually was. I think you'll find it to be quite amazing. That is this project. When you're finished, you can put your paper inside your binder, and we'll be working with them collecting data later.